juicy and red. B is for bus, where adventures are bred. C is for car, honk honk as it goes. A, B, C with Ducky Dee. Come and sing along with me. Hop on the bus, let's learn and play. Letters are fun in every way. D is for ducky who loves to quack. E is for elephant, big on the track. F is for frog who jumps